It's important because if we just from an administrative lens or from a principal or superintendent lens, if we hire somebody and we don't help them develop, then we are totally missing the boat. Teachers have to learn too. And a lot of times teachers learn from each other, just like kids learn from each other. So coming to a conference like this is important because the teachers can learn from each other.
My name is Stephanie Chiron King. I'm an 8th grade computer science teacher at Wallingford, Swarthmore School District, and I teach at Strathaven Middle School.
How has PETE&C helped shape your perspective on technology education?
This is where I get most of my professional development from. So at my school, it's not geared to what we teach. So I've been coming here for like 10 plus years, and it's really shaped what I teach. It keeps me informed of new practices, what's trending now. So it's something that's really been valuable for my career and what I do with my students.
So what has been the most inspiring part about PETE&C?
All right, I think we're done.
Keynotes have been spectacular. They're just very inspiring, motivational. It just makes me want to go and get right into the classroom and try to do all the things that they have spoken about.
What advice do you have for up-and-coming technology students or students who want to pursue in some type of technology career in the future?
Well, technology is where it's at. So if you're not getting involved in it, then you're getting behind the times. It's better to be a consumer. It's instead of just sitting there idly watching, be creative with it. So I'd encourage students in any aspect of any career, whether it's medicine, whether it's music, whether it's engineering, technology has a place in all of those. So I think it's really important that students, kids get involved so that they can be part of the future.
New Era Technologies provides audiovisual and IT solutions. What we're focusing on here today at PETE&C is backup as a solution to disaster recovery as a solution. So we have this product called Reduxio that does a really cool thing. It's able to take snapshots of multiple hard drive volumes throughout your entire school, and then every 1 second it takes a snapshot. So if you get caught with ransomware or a massive server goes down, you can revert to the single second that took place before that and restore and be fine.
I think people go into education for a number of different reasons. One is they had a really good teacher growing up, or one that they didn't have a really good teacher growing up. A lot of times I think back to those conversations that I had in the earliest conversations that I remember, because I don't know if I had a great school experience. And I wanted kids like me who didn't want to do a worksheet and didn't want to, like just regurgitate a bunch of stuff that teachers told me I should know. I just wanted to be, I wanted to help kids like that. My favorite aspect about working with children is it kind of depends. So I get a chance, as in my job, I get a chance to work with kids that are, just coming into school and kids that are graduating. When I think about the kids that are just coming into school, I love that they're excited about everything. And the kids that are leaving school, I love that they're excited about what's next for them. Our job is really to help people create a new environment where kids can try something different and fail and try it again and not be reprimanded for that. And think, we ask a lot of questions that we know the answers to. It doesn't make a lot of sense to me. We ask questions. We need to help kids ask questions that they don't know the answer to, because that's the only way that things are going to get solved. The biggest challenge is that everybody's coming from a different place. So the parents went to school in a system that required them to just share a bunch of knowledge that they got from the teacher. The kids want to live in a world where they create some of these things. Now we're in a world where we're trying to create an environment where we're doing things in school that adults didn't do, and they're having a really hard time with that, because how am I supposed to define that? How am I supposed to help my kid get the A? How am I supposed to, understand what they're supposed to be learning? Sometimes we don't know what they're supposed to be learning because they should be able to create it themselves too.